Hey foodies, welcome back. In today's video we're making puff puff, but not just any regular puff puff. We're going to be making milky puff puff. You've heard of milky donuts? Well, this is even better. To make this, start by combining your yeast and water. I'm using instant yeast for this. I'll give this a quick mix just to dissolve the yeast and then add some powdered milk, sugar, flour, baking powder and salt. For the flavor, I'm using nutmeg. I don't know why that always happens. I'm going to grate the nutmeg in. It's always best to use freshly grated nutmeg. You can also use cinnamon or vanilla or any other flavor you prefer. I'll give this a quick mix until everything is well combined. This is what the consistency of the batter should look like. I'll cover this and allow to sit in a warm place for about 1 hour or until it's doubled in size. Once it's doubled, I'll heat up some oil and then it's time to fry. I'll take a scoop of the puff puff batter and then use my hands to scoop it into the oil. To do this, just squeeze between your thumb and index finger. When frying, make sure the oil is the right temperature. You want to fry at about 350 degrees Fahrenheit, which is about 175 degrees Celsius. If you have a food thermometer, you can use that to measure the oil. You can also test the temperature of the oil by scooping a test batter. If it rises up within 5 seconds, then the oil is hot enough. Fry the puff puff on medium heat until golden brown and then take it out. Transfer to a dish lined with a paper towel. You can stop here for regular puff puff. To make milky puff puff, dip in powdered milk until nice and evenly coated. I also like to sprinkle with some powdered sugar for something extra. Make sure you enjoy this fresh. The full recipe will be in the description box below. Thanks everyone for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already. And if you're already subscribed, thanks for subscribing and I'll see you in the next one.